so.
I just
Alright.
Yep.
Yep. Alright, everybody. Okay, the deal. Lynch Devastator reduces S1 revenge on Shangsi. Can't complete some of their best chances.
Farther.
Huh?
I think that's what the mission we're on.
Oh, yeah. Out of Shanghai. I was just reading the descriptions. Glazer betrays them to save his own skin, but Kane Lynch catch up with him, begging for his life. Glazer told them he has a private plane. They can leave the country but be shot by Shangsi's men. Realizing Shangsi's unbeatable, they have to find a way out of Shanghai. Okay.
No.
Alright, let's do this.
When he streams, he has headphones on, like black headphones, but they can hear because the mic is so good.
Yeah, I got a Blue Yeti, so it can hear like
yeah, I'll show you. So you understand. So he wears this thing. They can't see me. He wears that, and then he uses that. That catches everything.
Yeah, this is a really good microphone.
So like,
How much is it,
if
Evan?
I'm on the conversation,
It's like $150.
yes, when he streams, when he posts it, they can hear.
All right.
Are you rude?
Hmm?
Are you fucking rude?
Who, me?
She's laughing at me.
Yeah.
Doctor.
All right.
I'm bleeding!
Transport out of here.
Really bleeding!
Yeah, so am I, dude. We were in the same crap.
You do what you want.
Hang on, slowly, because I want to hear the dialogue a little bit.
Yeah. And there's no reason for me to stay. I lost everything.
Because you told me to shut up.
Oh,
Coming
God.
with you. Look at us. We screwed it all up.
Am I the only person that really wants to see a game where Kane and Lynch actually win?
At least you got Jenny.
She doesn't want it. Haven't spoken to her since Venezuela.
Alright, love you.
Hell, you're bleeding through your shirt.
Money.
The first time that's happened.
Yeah,
We're getting too
same
old
here.
for this.
Nah, dude, I got clawed by my fucking monster of a cat.
But she said, oh my god.
I got cut, like, I got slashed many fucking times.
Fuck.
And I bled through a shirt before. That's not fucking fun, because that shit does not
You
come out
get
very
your
well.
hand almost blown off like I did.
Yeah. Okay. Contact.
Here they come!
Yeah, I see them. I'm just
Okay. Running over here. Establishing a front line.
get down, bitch. I said stay down, you little fucking asshole.
How many you got? Oh, fuck. Fuck. Crap, yeah, they're... Oh!
Reloading.
I'm almost out of ammo here. Got him. Fuck. Come here.
I'm shot.
Come on, come on. Oh crap, we got more. Oh fuck.
13mm rounds, jeez. What the fuck you do? Blow his head off?
Maybe. There we go. Oh damn. It's still blurred.
Ow.
Got him. Oof. I almost feel bad for him.
Ow,
Almost.
ow, 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 ow. Bullets hurt. Ow.
More. Ah! Ah, damn it! Down.
I can see that.
Yep.
In fact,
Take your time, man. Okay. Oh. Okay. Thanks.
yep. Everybody gets one.
Yep. Tell them, viewers. Yeah, apparently everybody gets one. Bingo. Alright.
Dude, we're having to eat. I am not gonna jinx this shit.
Yeah, I was thinking the exact same shit, too. Alright, I got a gas canister here.
Ow.
Yeah. The LMG guys.
Yeah, you friggin' think?
Yeah. Hey, I was just being nice, alright?
You could have said they were shooting at me.
Oh, I figured you have 2 good eyes. I figured you could see that.
Hello, blind as a bat?
Got one.
Oh, acetylene tank.
I think we got them both. Yes, we did. Oh, fuck.
Fire in the
God
hole.
damn it. Yeah, I got hit from the left. That was my... Yeah. Yeah, no, that was my fault. My bad. Oh.
This should be there.
I was gonna play the game, but I didn't want it to play out loud.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Just fair warning, I don't know if the volume's off. Or
Okay,
down on it,
but yeah,
so
that's
you might
fine.
hear it.
Alright, the 2 LMG guys are gonna come in through the left. Yep. Don't worry, I'm in cover, so I'm fine.
I hate this fucking game.
Got
You
one.
get hit by a fucking bullet, throws your fucking aim off.
Yeah, but I kind of like... As bad as it sounds, I kind of like that because it's realistic. You know what I mean? Sounds like I kind of like that. There we go. Got both of them. I can hear myself in the background, by the way. Got him.
Oh, that's because...
Shit. Alright, we're
Whoops.
good. We're clear-ish. Nope.
You said, next time you say clear, make sure it's clear.
Yeah, I said clear-ish, in all fairness. Oh crap, that's you, fuck. Oh! Fuck. Oh. Oh, God.
Get out, you got a guy coming back up.
Oh, I do? Oh. God damn, if only it was this easy last night. Tim, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
One guy's weak. Oh shit. Where am I getting shot from? One's down. Second one's down. Third one's down. Alright. Grab the LMGs and let's get the hell out of here.
That's our ticket out. Come on.
Hey Tim, you...
Told him to be quiet and he doesn't want to listen.
What the hell is he yelling about?
Because no one respects him.
Ow, cannon, old man. Alright. Alright, let's go. We gotta get the hell out of
Gotta be
here.
a way out.
Right.
Oh, fuck. Cuts are opening up.
I think the only good side about this,
Yeah, if I don't bleed to death.
like at least where they're at, is the fact that the cuts were deep but shallow,
There's gotta be one lead.
or not shallow but like thin.
Yeah, no, they were deep, but they were thin, so they'll heal fast.
Thin,
Get
yeah.
inside that building!
Fast-ish anyway. They'll scab over pretty quickly.
Wait, you
That way.
don't think the chopper saw us?
Yeah, over here.
Gotta be careful.
Kane, help me out!
Careful. Move in. Nice and quiet.
Fuck! Get back!
Where are you fuckers? Going around. Oh.
It was not me.
Yeah. Oh, damn.
What?
I mean, never to piss you off, like the dead bodies everywhere. Alright. Careful.
Sons of bitches!
Come on, CCP. Give me your... Come on, give me your best guys. Hang on. Falling back for a second, need a different weapon. There we go. Come here.
Need help?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, fuck. Yeah, there's two of them. And now there's none of them. What did he say? Wow. Evidently didn't say much. Oh, careful. Sniper.
I see it. What I'll do is I'll hit it with suppressing.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. I got him. I got you. Oh, damn it. I fucking hate that. Okay, okay. We got this. Again, we've only died twice comparatively to the last one.
Get back!
There goes one.
Split up, we can flank them!
Here, I'll take right, you take left. There we go.
Got his ass when he was down.
Careful. I still got one more to deal with here. Ah,
Ow,
damn.
ow.
Yeah, there's one guy left.
One?
Oh. Okay, apparently there were multiple. I didn't see multiple. There's two guys. There we go, good. Oof.
Yeah, you've got the sniper rifle. You deal with that.
I don't have a sniper rifle. Yeah, that rifle I had, I only had 4 shots. Alright. Okay, fuck, okay. Oh! Get medic! See if you can grab me. Oh. Thanks. Oh, did you get him? Yeah, you did. Awesome. Oh, damn it! Down.
Again?
Yeah, I ran towards cover. Thanks. Damn it, if only we had grenades. Fuck. What the hell? Oh, I think a guy rushed me on the left. Where'd I think?
What?
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Falling back here.
I am too.
Hang on. Run it out. I'm in a better position now. There we go. One guy's down. Oh, fuck.
There's too many!
Fuck. I'm completely out. Alright. Okay.
If they get up from that, that is a miracle.
I know, tell me about it. Alright, come on. Oh! careful. Got him. And I got... Guy in the back. I got 69 bullets. Oh, damn it.
You deserve that for that badass.
That's funny, I'm sorry. Yeah. I was gonna follow it up with I'm about to have 68 and then fucking, yeah. I guess the universe heard my will and was like, yeah, no.
Quietly. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Yep.
Goddamn fuck!
Ah, damn it. Couldn't get the cover quick enough here. Like, the downside to it is last time I had the LMG, I don't have it anymore. I think I dropped one in the front. Damn, the recoil on this thing is fucking ridiculous.
Even though in real life this thing doesn't have that much recoil the way they designed it.
And maybe it's because it's a cheap copy.
No, the Chinese developed this gun for themselves.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They obviously didn't do a good job in this game.
Apparently. I'm not even gonna fault you on
Straight.
that. I can hear explosion.
Oh,
There's a
fuck.
train leaving!
Fuck.
That's cool.
Settling tank.
Where?
Booyah.
Take that headshot, asshole. Ah, you.
Okay, come on.
I'm moving. Why don't we just take the van? It'd be easier.
They'd probably recognize us more, but...